Alright, so guys, we have an exponential equation on the board. Let's solve it together. It's very simple. We have 2x raised to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of x equals to 24. Now, what do you need to do? We are asked to find x. So we are asked to find x. S is equals to what? Right? So if we are looking for x, what are we going to do? Solution. Now, the first thing you need to do is to apply this rule. We are applying this rule, which is a raised to the power of n plus a raised to the power of n, which is equals to a n plus n. So we are applying this rule. So if we apply this rule, we'll have 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 1. This, because this will give us this back, right? So plus 2 raised to the power of x, which is equals to what? 24, right? So now, guys, we are going to factor 2x. So if we factor 2x, 2 raised to the power of x, we are bringing this out, which is 2x, 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 1 rather, which is equals to what? 24, right? So now this plus this will give us 2x, which is 3, which is equals to what? 24. Then what's next? We are going to times this, right? So we are not times it, we are going to divide both sides by 3 so that we can make this to stand alone. So if we divide both sides by 3, this will go into this, this will go into this. We are left with what? Here will be 8, right? So we are left with 2 raised to the power of x, which is equals to what? 8. Now, what we are going to do next is to reduce the base, right? So if we reduce the base, we are going to have, because we are reducing this base, which is 2x, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Because 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8 back, right, guys? That is how to do it. Then when you are done reducing the base, what do you need to do? You have to equate the powers. So if we equate the powers, we have 2 here, we have 2 here. So if we equate the power, our final answer is going to be x equals to what? 3. So our final answer is x equals to 3. So guys, that is how to solve exponential equation. Don't forget to like and follow. If you have any challenge, drop it in the comment section. I will solve it together.